All right, welcome back. Today, we're just gonna cut out a few windows, keep it quick and easy. We're gonna put a circle window here. We're gonna flip this 90. We're gonna change sides to 64. I like that better. So let's go Z. Let's just crank this. We're gonna go here, drag like that. Okay, and then we're gonna go subtractive. Bam. Move that both. We're gonna add another cylinder. We're gonna right here. So sides 64. Rotation. X is gonna be 90.
Then we're gonna move it a bit. Okay, it's gonna plug it up pretty close to plug it. We're gonna make the outer radius 210. So into brush 3. Undo that one. We're gonna pull you out for a second. I'm gonna bring you in. I don't need the Z to be 200, so let's just go 30. Then we're gonna alt another one out back there. And hold shift to bring it in. Okay, now I need to find brush 6, and let's bring you in. I may have to do another. Bring that back. I'm just gonna have to bring another cut in. So we're gonna rotate you 90. Give you 64 sides. Z, we're gonna do 190. No, Z I can do. No, Z I need to crank up, don't I? 2000. Additive, subtractive. That's kind of... Set that pivot point there and bring you that way. That looks like I need to make you bigger. Let's go 2500. Right click on one of these and your pivot point moves. We got that. Now let's click on this and let's bring you down. Ooh. I need to go up one. Let's click you to... I'm on 5. I got that. Got that. Oops. Not want that. Let's make you 2.5. Okay? We're gonna leave it like that. Then we're gonna go 225, just like that. So we're gonna drop you a little bit there. Okay. We got that. Now we're gonna drag you in. Where the heck did you go? Oh. Now I need to delete them and make new ones because I altered where they were. So we're gonna have. The heck? Why does it drag it all the way out there? I hate it. Just throws it a mile away, and I hate it. Let's go 25. Y is gonna be 250. Oh. 250. Now let's make it 415. There we go. Let's turn this back on to 5. So we're gonna hold Shift, Alt, Shift, and pull out another one. That's odd. Okay, we got that. We're gonna bring you up a hair because apparently I got that crooked. Up, I'm getting my keys all screwed up. So we need to go to this, Alt. We're gonna turn out 90 degrees. Spacebar, spacebar. Then we're gonna hold Shift and go. Nope. I didn't hold Alt. So you gotta hold Alt, Shift. Blammo. There, now we got some windows. They're kind of I'm sorry. Those are windows for today. Thanks for watching.